Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, loaded with features, and a fair price. Features also include keyless ignition, premium sound system, hands-free Bluetooth integration, rear heated seats, panorama sunroof. Come test drive the 2014 Range Rover. The luxury that's more than a luxury. It's quite apparent throughout our Range Rover heritage and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, navigation system, traction control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, power lift gate, power passenger seat, backup camera, Bluetooth. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.